Yo, what up? Hey, look, I'm here. This is Manan. Listen, the Juice Kitchen, Shindig, coming back. I'm gonna get started. Listen, I start my day every day with a ginger shot. I might put a little orange in there, a little watermelon, some maca powder and, a little bit of chia seeds just to keep me going, right? So I'm gonna get going and just ride along with me. I'm gonna tell you a story, maybe not. Let's roll. Listen, y'all. So, ginger, if you're not doing ginger every day, especially as a man, your testosterone level definitely is probably is a little low. It's good for testosterone, clearing out brain fog, the whole nine. Kind of getting your life back together. You got to get this ginger in your life. All right? Orange. That vitamin C, baby. Vitamin C. Got a little zinc in there, vitamin A. This is a real life. These right here. I've been eating them since I was a baby, since my mother could actually feed them to me, and I've never stopped. I used to go through a bag of oranges, man. Like, yeah, you can ask my mama. Does anybody know my mama? You can ask her. I used to go through a bag of oranges like at least once a week, and she never could keep the oranges around. But she knew she had a healthy son. But hey, here I go. I haven't gone too far away from the tree. So here we go. This is my ginger orange juice. And let me tell you real quick. I'm gonna let it drain out a little bit. You guys see that right there, right? You see it? You see it? Hold on. Hey, you can use this pulp too. So make sure you use this pulp. You can put it in your garden. You can compost it, of course. Put it in your garden. Grow some healthy soil. Whatever you want to do. Matter of fact, you can dry it out. You can turn it into something. You can boil it. You can boil it with some menthol and maybe some peppermint and all the other stuff. And take some of the crap out of your atmosphere in your home. You can produce your own atmosphere. Might as well produce a vitamin C healthy type of atmosphere, right? So this is what I'm gonna do. I want to keep myself upright for the guys, right? For upright, and for the women, I want to make sure you guys are tight, right? So maca powder. Remember that maca powder. Get some good maca powder too. Right? I think this is pretty good. It actually works. I feel it in my body. I just came off of Ramadan, so I think, I feel good. So this is what I'm gonna do. Help myself right quick. Turn this off. I'm gonna put a little maca powder in there. I'm gonna stir it around. See, I don't even have a spoon. I'm just gonna toss it. And my little daughter says, ta-da. She said, ta-da, ta-da. She's 2 years old. She says, ta-da. Ta-da! And then, bang, drink it. Hey, look, you ain't got to trust me on this, but I say it works. Let's see. Bang. Done. Hey, I love y'all. Have a good day. In Milwaukee, it's about 80 degrees. And just soak up some of that vitamin D. All right? Get some on your face. Holla.